Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2019 Harley Davidson FLHT Electra Glide. This is the standard model with ABS brakes, 107 cubic inch, Milwaukee 8, 4 valves per cylinder. Got a lot of really excellent upgrades on this bike, including fully adjustable Legend rear suspension, the Sony multimedia system, Daymaker running lights. It also has color matched lower fairings with venting and a rear tour pack. We also have a touring seat. Those items are not shown. Showroom condition, 5,205 miles on this gorgeous Harley Davidson Electra Glide. Come on by, make your Harley bagger dreams come true for just $19,990. Pretty low price for market based on the bike, mileage, and features. We have financing. We have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock.